Welcome to the updated guide on how to invest in the S&P 500 Index Fund through Fidelity. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, let's start with the basics. The S&P 500 Index Fund is a type of mutual fund that tracks the S&P 500 stock market index, which consists of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. Investing in this fund provides broad diversification and can be a low-cost way to gain exposure to the U.S. stock market. To get started, you'll need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. You can do this online or by phone. Once your account is open, you can fund it with money from your bank account or other sources. Next, navigate to the Fidelity website or mobile app and log into your account. From there, click on the Trade tab and select the Mutual Funds option. In the search bar, type in S&P 500 Index Fund and select the Fidelity 500 Index Fund from the list of results. Now, you'll need to decide how much you want to invest. You can invest a lump sum or set up a regular investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This can be a great way to dollar-cost average and reduce the impact of market volatility. Once you've decided on the amount, click the Buy button and confirm your trade. Your money will be invested in the S&P 500 Index Fund, and you'll be able to track your investment's performance online or through the mobile app. It's also important to understand the fees associated with investing in the S&P 500 Index Fund. Through Fidelity, the expense ratio for this fund is relatively low, which means you'll keep more of your investment returns. However, there may be other fees associated with your brokerage account, such as trading commissions or maintenance fees. Finally, it's essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in the stock market. The S&P 500 Index Fund is a long-term investment, and it's essential to be patient and disciplined in your approach. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, and instead, focus on your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, investing in the S&P 500 Index Fund through Fidelity is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following these steps and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can gain broad diversification and potentially lower your investment costs. Remember to always do your own research, set clear financial goals, and consult with a financial advisor if needed.